Before installing your sticker from trophystickers.com, first thing you want to do is clean your rear window. Once your rear window is cleaned, you want to apply masking tape to the top and the bottom of your sticker and apply it to your rear window. Check it against the truck to make sure that your sticker is going to be applied horizontally. You don't want it to look crooked. And once that is complete, you want to peel back the contact paper or the sticker from the base paper. When you get that peeled back, you want to take a pair of scissors and cut the base paper. Start at the bottom, go all the way up to the top. When that base paper is removed, you will be able to then apply the sticker by folding the decal back over. And let's let the video take over so we can finish this tutorial. We cut the half of the back paper off. Now we're just going to smooth out the one side. Make sure there's no air bubbles, and if there are, try to get them out. And if you can't get them out, take a pin and pop them. Then peel off the remaining masking tape. Peel this back some, and then you're good to complete the process. Just work with your hand until you get it all the way flat. When you're done, you just peel off the, I forget the name of it.
Packing?
I like the masking tape. It's got another name. Peel that off like that, and there it is. Beautiful. And that is sweet. Beautiful, huh? For more information, go to trophystickers.com. That's it.